Hi students, welcome to all of you. Today here we are to discuss about a new topic which is not related to either science or social science. But then also it is very important because we often use it while we speak something or we write something. Okay, and these two terms which we are going to discuss are IE and EG. Okay, IE and EG. See, both these terms which I have mentioned on the board are related to Latin, means these are Latin in origin. Okay, and the meaning of these terms are, see, Latin in origin. Meaning of these two terms are, see, IE in Latin stands for ideest. It means highest, meaning that is, or in other words, see, I in Latin means ideest, which means that is, or in other words. We all know that. Okay, we also, while we write something, we often speak or read out. Okay, that IE means that is. Okay, it is often used in a sentence to elaborate the term which we have wrote previously. Okay, the meaning of which is not clear. Okay, and we have to describe the meaning of the term precisely. Okay, in short. Okay, so in between the sentence we often use the term IE. Okay, I will make you people more clear by giving you people some example. See, example, the motorbike that is Yamaha, which I like most is available in this showroom. See, here I have provided you people with an example, and with the help of this example I am going to make you people understand about the usage of that is in a sentence. That is used in a sentence after a term has been mentioned and the meaning of which is not clear or specific. Okay, then we use the term that is. Okay, so see, in this sentence when we speak about the motorbike, then motorbike could be of any company, because we all know that there are several manufacturer companies of motorbike. Okay, so when we have to specify any name or specify about a particular motorbike company, okay, then we will use the term that is. Okay, see, the motorbike that is Yamaha, which I like most is available in this showroom. Okay, and let me give you people another example which will make the distinction between the usage of IE and EG. Okay, so example 1, example 2, the motorbikes EG of Yamaha, Hero, Honda, The motorbikes EG of Yamaha, Hero Honda are parked here. Okay, so when we use the term easy, it means not only the motorbikes of Yamaha and Hero Honda are only parked here, but we have given few examples, and the meaning of easy I have already explained you people. That easy stands for exempli gratia, which stands for giving example or for the sake of example. Okay, so the motorbikes that is of Yamaha, Hero Honda are parked here. The meaning of this is that the motorbikes, it could be of any company, are parked here. But when we use the term easy, it means that I have given the examples of only few motorbikes that have been parked here. Apart from the motorbikes of Yamaha and Hero Honda, there are motorbikes from other companies also, but the examples of which have not been mentioned. Okay, and the motorbikes could also be of the companies from TVS, Bajaj. Okay, this is. Let me give some other examples also. See, the difference between these two sentences is that here when I give the specific name of the company, okay, then it means that it is associated with only one place and of only one company bike. Okay, that is Yamaha. The motorbike that is Yamaha, which I like most, is available in this showroom. Means the motorbikes of other company is not available here. Okay, it gives us, that is used to make the term more specific, to give the name of the company specific. Okay, and here examples are given only for few, and apart from the examples of this Yamaha and Hero Honda, the motorbikes of several other companies have also been parked, but I have not given the name of all of them. Okay, I have not taken the name of each and every company. Okay, but I have mentioned only few. Okay, now let me give some other example. Okay, see, let me also write the meaning of easy. Okay, see, easy in Latin stands for exempli gratia, which means giving examples or for the sake of example. See, easy in Latin stands for exempli gratia, which means giving examples or for the sake of examples. See, both these terms, that is IE and easy, comes only to denote the term which has been previously mentioned. Okay, when we speak about some term, okay, and to make the meaning of the term clear, we use IE and easy. Okay, see some other example. Okay, this is our sentence number 1, this is our sentence number 2. So example 1 for this. There are several causes of global warming, but the most prominent one is deforestation. deforestation, that is loss of vegetation. Example 2. A cell performs many biochemical functions, e.g. respiration, digestion, absorption, and expelling waste. See, here also I have given you people two examples which will make you people the meaning clear, that where to use IE and where to use EG. Okay, see, example 1, which is for IE. There are several causes of global warming, but the most prominent one is deforestation. IE stands for that is. Most prominent one is deforestation. That is loss of vegetation. That is loss of vegetation. Okay. So see, here I have explained the meaning of deforestation, which has not been specified by me clearly. Okay, or which has not been stated by me elaborately. Okay, therefore I have explained the meaning of deforestation. Okay, so IE, that is also used to define the meaning of the term which has not been clearly mentioned or defined. Okay, so deforestation, the meaning of deforestation has been explained here. Okay, after using the term that is, the meaning of deforestation has been explained or mentioned elaborately after using the term that is. Okay, and the second example is a cell performs many biochemical functions, e.g. respiration. E.g. means for the sake of example or for example. So a cell performs many biochemical functions, e.g. or for example respiration, digestion, absorption, and expelling out wastes. Okay, expelling out waste products, we can say. Okay, so see, the function of the cell are many, but I have given the examples of few functions that is performed by a cell, and the examples of few functions are respiration, digestion, absorption, and expelling out waste products. Okay, so I think that the meaning of these two terms, that is IE and EG, are clear to you people, and I hope that you have understood the meaning of these two. Okay, and also you will not get confused while using these terms in your communication. Okay, so thank you for today. Okay, in the next class we will discuss about some new topic. Okay, so thank you.